Dear humans, are you already immune so you started to care less for our environment? It's heartbreaking and frustrating how we get to enjoy our free stay here on Earth, but at its expense. We abuse what it can offer, and to make things worse, we don't even try to reciprocate its goodness. Instead, we neglect our responsibilities as stewards of nature.
This poster emphasizes the detrimental effects of human activities to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. That big X points out that our wrongdoings are wreaking mayhem and havoc to our environment. And its reddish color is a warning that its impact is on critical level, where our green forests are turned brown, our clean waters turned toxic, and our mountains turned barren, and soils poisoned with chemical waste. And what's worse, we endanger species for souvenirs, like cutting elephants' tusks, which make them listed to the near extinct. Effects on our environment is everything but industrialization, urbanization, globalization. This nailed us to further environmental degradation. The more the presence of human population, the more it supersedes our intention to put the human population first.
But just like the boomerang effect, what we have thrown will surely get back at us. We already have a taste of our own medicine. Global warming and climate change continue to escalate, and natural resources are depleting faster. Are we just going to stand watching everything collapse before us? Or will we take the step now towards environmental rehabilitation?